Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video I will show you the face recognition based attendance system using Python. So in that system, first it will take the attendance and it will store in the Excel file. Okay, so it will recognize with the face name and face ID. So it will give the unique ID to that person. Okay, like that, and it will store in the Excel file. Okay, so it is completely based on the face recognition. I'm just giving the input from laptop front camera. Now I'm giving my attendance. Okay, the system recognizes my face, and let's open the Excel file. Let's click on the view attendance. So this is the Excel file. It will take attendance and also store the name. So this is the complete project. Thank you guys for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Don't forget to like, comment and share. Thank you.